travel far, armed with 7 nations, was harmed in many places, but still had not found a promised land. But tall the walls of Jericho stand, with an angry king in the middle. But instead of drawing her weapon, she played trumpets and fiddles. It's time for these walls to come down. Oh, it's time for these walls to come down. See, they will crumble at the sound of you calling me baby, baby. So she played for 7 days and not a shot was fired. But this new music being played reached the lonely man in the tower. And at first he tried to fight it, but he could not turn away. His sudden building new desire to go reopen the gate. Oh, it's time for these walls to come down. Oh, it's time for these walls to come down. See, they will crumble at the sound of you calling me baby, baby, please. There was milk in the coffee and muffins warm with honey, and music with such beauty on the day that she met me. Oh, could it be we found the promised land? Oh, could it be that I could be your man? Oh, could it be we found the promised land? Oh, could it be that I could be your man? Oh, it's time for these walls to come down. Oh, it's time for these walls to come down. See, they will crumble at the sound of you calling me baby, baby. Oh, it's time for these walls to come down. Oh, it's time for these walls to come down. Well, let them crumble at the sound of you calling me baby.
Every day and every moment, every breath